Today we are going to do addition and subtraction activities. Do you know what's mean by addition?
Yeah.
Tell me, what is mean by addition?
Adding.
Yeah. And what's mean by subtraction?
Taking off.
Good job. First activity is addition. Okay?
Okay.
Start.
3 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 carrots. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 4 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job. Second activity is subtraction.
Yes.
Do you know what's mean by subtraction?
By taking off things. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 6 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 8 minus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4.
Good job. Haran, did you observe something? By learning addition and subtraction,
Yeah.
we should always add good food to our diet.
Yeah.
And we should always take off bad food from our diet. Okay?
Okay. We should take good food and we should remove bad food.
What is good food?
Fruits and veggies.
And what is bad food?
Candies and ice creams. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and rise up. Bye.